Welcome to the first video of our brand new series on quantum physics. In this series, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of quantum mechanics and the building blocks of the universe. If you're new to quantum physics, this is the perfect place to start as we dive into the fundamentals of this incredible field. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on all our upcoming videos. Now let's dive into the amazing world of quantum physics that studies the behavior of matter and energy at the atomic and subatomic level. The word quantum physics. Quantum physics is a brantum refers to how much we don't know about these smallest particles. Quantum physicists seek to understand how nature works at this scale by using mathematics, statistics, and computer simulations. What is quantum physics? Quantum physics is the study of matter and energy at the atomic and subatomic levels. It has many applications in technology such as computers and cell phones, which use quantum mechanics to operate effectively. Quantum science also plays a role in medicine by providing new ways to understand diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's disease. Quantum physics is one of the most successful theories in science because it has led to many new technologies that benefit us today and will continue to do so tomorrow. What do we know about the building blocks of the universe? Quantum physics is the study of subatomic particles. The building blocks of the universe are made up of these subatomic particles, and they behave in very strange ways. Here's what we know about these building blocks. The atom is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons, or leptons. Protons have a positive electric charge, while neutrons have no charge at all. They're neutral or neutrally charged. Electrons carry an electrical charge that can be measured in units called volts V. An electron has about 1/18,000th as much mass as a proton does, so it will move through space faster than one does because there aren't as many interactions between them when they meet with other atoms. Matter consists mainly of protons, but also includes neutrons to balance out charges between different types of particles within an atom. This means matter has both positive and negative charges inside itself. How does the universe work? In order to understand how the universe works, it's important to keep in mind that the universe is made of particles and waves. The wave-particle duality says that both matter and energy can behave as one or the other depending on their context. In any given physical system, there exists an equilibrium between these two opposing forces until something causes them to interact with each other in some way. When looking at photons or electrons moving through space, they have a certain amount of energy associated with them. This means that when you see an electron moving through space, you're actually seeing its kinetic energy bouncing around like a ball bouncing back and forth on top of your desk. This phenomenon was first discovered by Einstein back in 1905 when he observed light traveling at different speeds, depending on whether it was moving towards or away from us. He called this effect relativity. In quantum mechanics, we often talk about particles behaving like waves instead of particles because it gives us more insight into where exactly things are located within our universe. Namely, because every square inch contains trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon trillions upon. Well, I'm getting tired just writing those numbers up here. The quantum world. The quantum world is a strange place. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that studies the behavior of matter and energy on the scale of atoms and subatomic particles. It explains all known interactions in nature, from chemistry to biology to astronomy and even to our everyday lives. In order to fully understand how quantum mechanics works, you need some background knowledge about classical physics, how things move around in space-time, i.e., how objects interact with each other. Classical physics describes what happens when you throw an apple at your friend's head. Quantum mechanics describes what happens when two apples are thrown simultaneously at their heads. There are many fascinating things that came out of quantum physics. Quantum physics is one of the most fascinating branches of science, and it has led to many discoveries that are still being made today. One of the most important developments in quantum physics came when scientists created a device called a quantum computer. Quantum computers use qubits, quantum bits. Instead of bits like you would find on your computer, they have both zeros, ones and twos, at the same time. This allows them to perform calculations much faster than traditional computers with ordinary bits. Another exciting discovery comes from quantum entanglement. A pair of particles will always interact if they are separated by even just a few inches. This phenomenon was first observed by Albert Einstein while he was working on his general theory of relativity back in 1916. That's a wrap for our first video in the quantum physics series. We hope you enjoyed learning about the building blocks of the universe and the incredible world of quantum mechanics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss.